Yeah.
Piece of gold in.
It's what?
I put a piece of gold in that to hold the two parts together. That's the head of gold.
So this chip breaker here is not touching this or something in between?
It's not supposed to be.
No, it's not supposed to be.
That's wood got between.
Well, I misunderstood what you said about...
Well, this is screwed into that.
Yes.
It's just the end of the bolt.
Oh, well, it doesn't matter what it is, as long as it holds it tight. Yeah.
No, it's dumb.
Just,
So how do you sharpen that? You just
very good.
get it on your stone? And
Yeah, just keep sharpening it.
You use oil stones, wet stones, or just files? Oil stones.
I would get that all that you go in there, see, because it's fastened on the boat. This is screwed on. This is screwed on to that one. How would yours,
It wouldn't work. No, this is done with the wedge.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, this is done with the wedge.
I think you're all just with the wedge set tight in.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, I mean, you're really trying to hog. When what I was doing was a chair, and I wasn't taking off long cuts like that where you might need to be tight. But it wasn't moving. But I think, forgive me, but I don't see what's wrong with this blade. Well, would you...
Maybe the best of the steel is gone.
I don't think so.
I'll sharpen it again to try.
I would, I'd be happy to try and put an edge on this for you.
Yeah, I know, but as you put them on the plane, it's like a razor.
Really?
Yeah.
And that was a while ago.
Like a razor a couple years ago.
Well, let me try to get, where did I do that? At my house?
See, I'm not a professional like you.
Don't, these guys aren't going to believe you.
Like Fuller, you're so precise.
You've been doing this for 50 years. I've been doing it for 15 years.
Wood pig.
You wood pig? All right. I can't do it today.